Writing skill sentence structure number 3, that is called complex sentences. A complex sentence is a combination of one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Example, I made a delicious drink after my walk. This is independent clause. Because I was thirsty, that is dependent clause. So a complex sentence is a combination of two clauses, one independent and one is dependent. The dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, is an incomplete sentence that cannot stand alone. Examples, Anna left the party early. This is independent clause. Because she was tired. This is dependent clause. Hold the cat's mouth closed. This is independent clause. While you count to learn. That is dependent clause. It means dependent clause begins with a coordinating word or coordinating conjunction. It was raining. Independent clause. Because it was raining, that is called dependent clause. What are coordinating conjunctions? There are some words we use them as coordinating conjunction in the sentence to join two clauses together in the complex sentence. After, as if, as though, before, even if, since, until, till, whenever, although, if only, just as, even, that, when, wherever, as, once, only, rather than, when, though, whether, where, whether, because, provided, unless, whereas, who, why, whoever, while. The kids played outside in the park, independent clause, until subordinating conjunction or subordinating word. It got too dark. That is called dependent clause. The whole sentence is called a complex sentence. There is a rule in this complex sentence, rule of comma. In a complex sentence, when the dependent clause comes first, separate the clauses with a comma. When the independent clause comes first, do not separate them. There are several rules of comma in complex sentences. So one of them is when dependent clause comes first, as because she was tired, that is called dependent clause. So after this we use a comma and we use independent clause. Anna left the party early. If independent clause comes first, like Anna left the party early because she was tired, so there is no need of comma between these clauses. More examples. After, he goes to school after he finishes work. As, several overcrowded buses passed as we were waiting. As soon as, she felt better as soon as she took the medicine. Before you apply to college, you have to take an entrance exam. See, this sentence, comma is used between the clauses because subordinate or dependent clause comes first. Since, it has been a year since I left home. Since she works out daily, Jill is in great condition. Once again, comma is between the clauses because dependent clause comes first. Where, I can never remember where I put my keys. So that's all. Thank you so much.